Are you looking for a way to improve the security of your home? Installing a doorbell camera is one of the best ways to enhance safety and add an extra layer of protection. The best doorbell camera not only provides surveillance functionality but also has features like motion detection, night vision, two-way audio capabilities, and so much more. With these features in place, you can monitor your property 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Plus, they're easy to install and won't require professional help or expensive equipment. To make it easy to choose the best doorbell camera, we have a list of the top 7 best doorbell camera 2023. Let's have a look. For more details, you can check the product links mentioned in the description. Ring Video Doorbell 4. Introducing the Ring Video Doorbell 4, a versatile option that combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use. With 1080p HD video quality, this doorbell camera captures crisp images, day or night. Its adjustable motion zones and customizable alerts keep you informed about activity around your doorstep. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, making it a seamless addition to your smart home ecosystem. Features: 1080p HD video quality for clear visuals. Adjustable motion zones to focus on specific areas. Two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors. Quick-release battery for easy recharging. Alexa compatibility for convenient control. Drawbacks: limited advanced features compared to higher-end models. Some users report occasional connectivity issues. Subscription required for cloud storage beyond 24 hours. 2. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. For those seeking premium features, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a top contender. Its 3D motion detection technology provides precise alerts, reducing false notifications. The sleek design seamlessly blends with your home's aesthetics, while the enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity ensures a reliable connection. Features: 1536p HD video for superior clarity. Advanced 3D motion detection with radar technology. Customizable privacy settings, including audio and video off. Pre-roll video captures events leading up to motion detection. Professional installation for a secure setup. Drawbacks: higher price point compared to other models. Wiring required for installation might not be suitable for all users. Some users find the design a bit bulky. 3. Nest Doorbell Battery. Next up is the Nest Doorbell Battery, offering a wire-free solution without compromising on features. Its intelligent algorithms reduce false alerts, while facial recognition technology lets you know who's at your door. Features: wire-free design for hassle-free installation. Facial recognition identifies familiar faces. HD video with HDR for clear visuals. Quiet time mode for customized alerts. Google Assistant integration for voice control. Drawbacks: battery life might vary based on usage and climate. Continuous recording requires a subscription. Slightly larger in size compared to other options. 4. Wise Video Doorbell. The Wise Video Doorbell brings affordability to the forefront without skimping on features. This budget-friendly option offers impressive video quality and reliable motion detection, making it a solid choice for the price-conscious. Features: 1080p HD video with a wide field of view. Customizable motion detection zones. Free 14-day cloud storage for video clips. Two-way audio for real-time communication. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Drawbacks: no continuous recording option. Some users find the installation process a bit tricky. Advanced features like facial recognition are missing. 5. Belkin WeMo Smart Video Doorbell. Enter the Belkin WeMo Smart Video Doorbell, a sleek option with straightforward functionality. Its straightforward setup and integration with the WeMo ecosystem make it a great choice for those already invested in the brand. Features: 1080p video quality with night vision. Easy DIY installation process. Wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage. Works seamlessly with other WeMo devices. Local storage option available. Drawbacks: limited third-party smart home integrations. No advanced features like facial recognition. Mobile app interface could be more intuitive. 6. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell focuses on flexibility and customization, allowing you to tailor your security setup according to your preferences. Its unique square video aspect ratio provides a full view of visitors from head to toe. Features: square video format for a complete view. Adjustable motion detection settings. HD video quality with HDR. Direct-to-mobile video calls. Built-in siren as a deterrent. Drawbacks: subscription required for advanced features. Limited integration with third-party devices. Slightly higher price point than some competitors. 7. Ring Video Doorbell. Last but not least, we have the Ring Video Doorbell Wired. This compact option packs a punch, offering reliable features in a space-saving design. Features: compact design suitable for tight spaces. 1080p HD video quality with night vision. Two-way talk functionality. Real-time notifications on your smartphone. Easy installation process. Drawbacks: wiring required for installation might be a limitation for some. Limited to basic features compared to higher-tier models. Subscription needed for extended video storage. So that was our list of top 7 best picks for Best Doorbell Camera 2023. Hope this video helps you pick the doorbell camera you've been looking for. Check out the links for all the mentioned products in the description box. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful.